Hello, everyone.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, but you're next to me, so I hate you. For today, I'm taking over the channel and I'm going to teach you guys some what?
I'm not here. You're doing the tutorial.
I don't know what I'm going to teach you guys, but I'm going to teach you guys something.
I'm a ghost today.
Bruh.
Alright, so today we're going to do something different. Today she is going to go through the script that I usually prepare for these videos and try to make a tutorial. This is one of the videos which I was thinking of doing, but since she was right here doing nothing, I thought, why not just let her do it for once and see how it goes.
You make it sound like I'm jobless, bro.
You are.
No, I'm just taking over your channel. This is a cool overthrow.
Still jobless.
Emotional.
So I've written a script for the video like I usually do, and she has no clue about what's in the script, so we're gonna look at it together.
Yes.
Because you have a lot of experience in this, right?
Of course.
Making tutorials with FL Studio.
If you can count half an hour as experience, then yes, I am very experienced. So I don't really have any experience with FL Studio. I'm not a producer. I think all the music gene in the family went to him. I don't do music.
So she has no clue about the script or what to make tutorial on. We are gonna look into it together and hopefully she gets it right.
Rules of the game. Tell me the rules of the game. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna give her exactly 5 minutes per tip to figure it all out, and she can't use internet.
Time limit. Why?
This is the kicker. I didn't tell her about the time limit because of this.
Can I use manuals? That's not the internet. I'm not searching Reddit or anything like that. I can use manuals, right?
No. If you get it right, you get a score of 1 for that tip.
Okay, what if I get it partially right? Or I'm halfway there?
Point 5. Alright, so you're gonna get 2 lifelines per tip. And I'm gonna be really vague. So the lifelines really aren't lifeline, it's not really helpful.
It's a deadline.
It's unhelpful advice. Or you can ask in Discord. By the way, bump the server. So I'm gonna get my notepad now. Alright, got it. Great.
Oh, I feel like I'm in school again. Give an exam when you don't know what's on the syllabus.
So 60% of the tips, if you get it right, then you get the winner crown.
So how many tips is that?
We'll figure it out. You can start doing the tutorial.
Music noobs read. Noobs?
Yes.
That's wrong. I'm gonna edit that right now. That is spelling error. Music noob reads my script and makes tutorial. Yes.
Let me start your timer.
No, not yet. No, we didn't
Yes,
teach them.
yes. That way you will start the video.
This is such a messy.
No, you can't read all of them. You go one at a time. Alright. Your tip 1 is this one. It's called how to clean up the plugin picker quickly. Start. Here we go.
What the hell is a plugin picker? Okay, fine. How to clean up the plugin picker quickly. That's a tongue twister. Plugin picker. Cleaning up the plugin picker. Middle mouse click on gray area to pick up plugin picker. This will let you quickly open effects generators. I don't know what any of it is. Wait, middle click on gray area. Here? Ha!
Oh my god, you're quick.
Genius! This will let you quickly open effects and generators. Yeah, that's filler line. So if your plugin picker looks all cluttered with text instead of images, you would like to. So if your plugin picker looks all cluttered with text instead of images, and you would like to get thumbnails instead of the text, you see. Oh, it disappeared. See, so when I open up the plugin picker, what the hell? Okay, let's go. It's weird. So the plugin picker, as you see, has all this text here and there sprinkled, and it doesn't look very clean.
Like where?
Like, I don't know, where is the text? Did you already clean it up?
Is that a hint?
No. Open plugin picker. Okay, fine. Let's just follow the tutorial. I'll just follow the tutorial, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then well, shit. Okay.
3 minutes left.
Okay, go to plugin database inside browser.
Are you guys learning something here?
Can you shut up? plugin picker, open a plugin you want to make
Supposed to
thumbnail
be a
for.
tutorial.
It'll show up as text in plugin picker. Okay. Go to the plugin picker, open text. Okay, I'll open this.
My project.
Open a plugin you want to make thumbnail for. It'll show up as text in plugin picker. Yeah, okay. So for example, if I want to make a plugin for automation clip because it doesn't have a thumbnail, so go to plugin picker database inside the browser and select a category. Okay, let's do it for controller. It's okay, that's where it comes. Okay, cool. Plugin data. Yeah. Okay, and select the category. Wait, okay, so that is like the same point. So I run the same.
1 minute 37 seconds left.
I'm going to add distortion based effects plugin called Drive Shaper. What? So I'm going to the distortion folder. This will let FL know where to save the thumbnail under which type. Okay, fine. So distortion is what I have to look for. Distortion, yeah. Can we not do the time? Go back to the plugin Drive Shaper. Change the default settings to. Okay, so I'll go to the plugin Drive Shaper.
49 seconds left.
Can I just control F? Oh, I can.
Yeah, you can F.
Drive Shaper. Is it? Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna go here. I'm going to go to the distortion folder inside the process so that it saves the thumbnail there. Okay, go back to the plugin Drive Shaper. Change the default setting.
Time up. I shall grade you a 0. This is the first one. This was so easy. Alright, so I'll give you a hint. You didn't use any hints. That's where you went wrong.
Oh, okay, give me a hint.
No, now I'm gonna actually do the tutorial. So let's go back a little. You got it right initially. The plugin picker does open up when you middle click right here in the gray section, which was very cool. I thought you would figure it all out like that in that flow. You opened automation clip.
Oh, Drive Shaper. That's where it is. Why did you say like that? It's so cluttered around you.
Exactly, it's cluttered.
Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Alright, so the thumbnail is not showing up for Drive Shaper, but you can see the thumbnail for a lot of plugins. So we open up Drive Shaper here, and this is Drive Shaper. Go to plugin database, which you did right. You actually went to the plugin database, which is right here. You actually went inside the folders, and you went to the right place as well.
Genius.
You go to distortion, and this is where I want to save the thumbnail. So maybe I want the drive to be somewhere here. This is the plugin option, and then you will see that option right here. When you click here, Drive Shaper will be added to this subcategory. When I hit OK, you would actually see Drive Shaper here in the list with the thumbnail. Now let's go back again, and there it is with the thumbnail. No more text. Yeah, simple, right? Let's move to the next one.
Wait, I need more than 5 minutes. 5 minutes is just not good.
I'm gonna give you 7 minutes.
That works.
And remember to use your
hints.
Yeah. Here we go.
Tip 2: how to remove items that were unused in a project. Okay. Patterns, audio clips, and generators from a project. Okay. How to clean up big or heavy project where you don't use a lot of things that you made quickly. Open a big project which is messy and has a lot of unused channels, patterns, automations.
Explain it to them also.
Okay, so you open your thing. So you open up a project which is very messy. Like you see this one. It's not that messy though.
That's not what the tip is about. Oh no, I'm giving her tips for free.
Open a big project which is messy and has a lot of unused channels. What are channels? Wait. You're talking about this thing. Are you? Hint.
Yes.
Cool. It happens all the time. He keeps working on a project continuously, and he keeps muting stuff, making things unique, and before he knows it, there's a gazillion different. I'm blind. There's gazillion different patterns, audio clips and channels which get created, making it very difficult to... Oh, are you talking about...
Maybe you should finish reading the sentence.
Which get created, making it very difficult to know which ones are the ones that are part of the project file and which ones are not. So like, oh, I see, it's like, you know, how we compound clip and then delete the compound clip and resolve, but it's still there in the master tag.
Exactly.
Oh, I got it. Thankfully, there are multiple things. Oh, wait, where is that thing then?
Maybe you should keep reading it.
What did I do? Loop mode. No loop mode. Okay, fine, I'll just read it, right? Click Ctrl N to save the current project and then make a new version of your project by clicking. Alright, yeah. So here's something that you guys should do. You should hit Ctrl N to take a backup of sorts of your project. So what this will do is it'll save your current version and then make a new version of your project to avoid losing any presets and audio clips. So...
Are you gonna do that?
Yeah, I should do that. Ctrl N, done. Okay, yeah. Ooh. So first, removing unused channels. Go to Tools, Macros and select Unused Channels. So where's Tools? Tools, Macros. Select Unused Channels. FL Studio will now take a while depending on how many unused channels the project file has. This includes all instances of audio clips and generators which were not used in the project. Okay, cool. So it will like do AI stuff, I guess. Now you can simply go under channel options and select and click on delete selected. So we now have to go to channel options. Hint?
You can use the hint panel.
Oh.
You can hover on things and look at the hint panel to see what it is.
Channel options, yes! Come on, thanks bro, thank you. And what do we do now? And select on delete select, okay, cool. And then, so you do that, click here and then go to delete selected. Or you can press alt delete. No undo. Don't show this in the future.
No.
Okay. Done.
It's deleting channels.
Yes, you can see that in the hint.
Alright, you get 0.5 so far.
Woo! Okay, now this will get rid of any unused generators such as serum, harmon, sampler, etc. along with any other audio clips, the channels on the channel rack. Okay, this will although not remove any automation clips. So now we move on to the next point, which is removing unused patterns. So this is a little easier. Just go to your panel picker. What is picker? And select on. Can I use Discord?
Okay.
Where is what? What am I looking for? Picker panel. Where is picker panel? Okay, help, where is picker panel? I've sent that. Bro, you're typing. Is that allowed?
Yeah, sure, why not?
But why can't you just tell it to me? You're wasting time. Precious time.
Yeah,
Typing.
you wasted it.
I'm just gonna try it until then.
I've written the answer.
Oh, you have. Okay. It's on the left side of the timeline. So left side of the... Where is the timeline?
Let's see how much time you have.
Okay, timeline. It is on the left side of the timeline. Picker panel. Right. And click on select unused and then FL Studio will select all the patterns. Wait, I have to click on select unused. What?
Okay, I'll give you a hint. Right click. You're in the audio section. This is the automation section. That's the pattern section. Alright, time's up, but I'm gonna give you 2 more minutes because you're very close.
Cool. Okay. So this is the one. Select unused. Cool. And now it's like you can see that lime green line.
Explain.
So that lime green line is basically...
What is lime green line?
The lime green border thing.
The green.
It's lime green. So the lime green border is what is the patterns which are selected, which are unused. So we are going to delete them. So we just hit delete. No, we don't. We don't do that. Right click and hit delete. Right click and hit delete. Okay. Yeah. Done.
1 minute left.
I do both these steps whenever I have to send a project over to a client or a collaboration, just to keep things a little more organized and not overwhelming. So this is something I'm incorporating for the next few free templates for the channel, as a lot of people this year have requested for a smaller and more concise project file. So okay, so there are multiple things that can be steps into.
Ignore this is crap.
What?
Third part.
No! Go to the picker panel. Okay, fine. It's the same thing. Picker. What are we removing? Unused automations. Select unused. No. Select unused. Where unused? I'm just hitting delete. There are no automations.
Exactly. That can happen sometimes.
Okay, cool. Note, keep doing this on the projects that you're working on in constant intervals, and you will notice that your project starts getting cleaner as you go. Yeah!
Alright, 10 seconds to say. Good. I'll give you this one. Congrats.
Thank you.
You're gonna get 1. So you take like 10 minutes to figure things out.
Of course, bro. I'm gonna give you Krita next time and try to figure that out in 5 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes for this though. This shouldn't take you long. Time starts now.
Alright, so FL Studio has these really cool.
Q, man, it's Q. You're a pigeon, it's cool.
So FL Studio has these really cool and intuitive shortcuts for quick actions within drop-down. So whenever you right-click to get a drop-down inside FL Studio, you might notice that each shortcut.
Tell them.
But I need to read. Okay, just pretend that my eyes are looking at you, okay? So whenever you right-click to get a drop-down inside FL Studio, you might notice that each shortcut has a few dots underneath the letter. So I right-click. Oh yeah, there are like dots under here. 1, 2, 3. Cool. You might notice that each shortcut has a dot. Yeah, it does. To signify the keyboard shortcut for that particular option in the drop-down. Oh wait, I know this. For example, if I make an automation for some parameter in FL, what does that mean?
Some knob. Is it a hint?
Yeah.
You took a hint.
I took a hint.
Parameter is a knob or a slider.
Okay, I have to make an automation now.
Or you can use the automations which are already there.
Yeah, okay, so I'll just drag and drop this. Oh, that works. Cool.
It's called the pickup panel.
Yeah. So, okay, how does this work? Right. So I have an automation here. I make an automation of some parameters in parameter in FL like this one. I had to copy and paste an automation's point to some other point. Okay. All I have to do is right click, then hit C on the keyboard to copy, and then right click and V to paste. Okay. So suppose I want to copy this particular point and get it here. So I right click. Suppose I want to copy this, so I just right click and hit C, and then right click and hit V. Here, right click and hit V. No, I don't know. What did I do?
You want a hint?
In real time, this can be done pretty quickly once you know what you're doing. And so, for example, if I make an automaton, how do I get the points value? Okay, right click, hit C. Right click and hit V.
Good.
I figured it out. I was just clicking it wrong. Okay, cool. In real time, this can be done pretty quickly. This thing is there across most drop-downs inside FL Studio, and it can really increase the speed of production once internalized. Just
now show them how quickly you can do this.
okay, cool. So I'll hit C and V. Okay. For example, I find myself using the keyboard shortcut I on playlist tracks. Playlist tracks?
Think what?
Hint.
Playlist. Those track numbers.
Oh, okay, cool. Playlist tracks, right? That makes sense. Oh, I see. So you have track 2, track 3, so you want to insert a track in between. Cool. Or even shortcut E. Okay, so right click and hit E. No. Wait, no. I, right? Not E. Done. That's easy. And then you can hit E to just delete it. So smart. Real time. G is another cool shortcut to group and ungroup the above track quickly. G. Okay, so I can just G. Cool. Group it. Yeah. Oh! Done! Woo! Give me another point.
With 17 seconds to spare. Good job. Alright. Hey, you're cheating. Wait, I'm gonna reset your time very quickly.
No.
Alright. This shouldn't take her long, so I'm gonna give her 5 minutes again. Here we go.
Slice and splice. No, slice and insert space. Acha, is it like insert space we did last time in Visual?
No, you're asking for
you. Moving on to the next step, just like how we discussed parting the C's vertically in the last step.
Someone didn't read it properly.
Just like how we discussed parting the C's vertically, FL also lets you do that horizontally in the timeline, time axis. So you get to put time inside your timeline. Yeah.
Did you get what the point?
Now I know how to do this. Make a selection from this point to the bars towards the right. So yeah, okay.
My bad.
The length of the selection will be the length of the empty space in between the tracks. Cool. Now just hit the Control Alt Insert. Control Alt Insert. And bam! Woo! Fireworks!
Alright. 3 minutes and 19 seconds to spare.
No, I'm not done yet. But if you are like a turtle, like this guy.
It's a tortoise. There's a difference between turtles and tortoises.
Yeah, one can swim. Turtles can swim. Tortoise will drown.
No, tortoise is slow.
Let's check that. Yeah, turtles. I'm right. Turtles can swim.
Tortoises are
found on land. I saw this video once where they just took a tortoise and threw it in the water.
2 minutes left.
Okay, yeah, right. But if you're like a tortoise, then the same thing can be done manually from the playlist menu. Wait, I'm not done. Playlist options, edit, slice and insert space. What's a playlist? You gave me that hint, I forgot.
You have 1 minute 10 seconds.
Hint? Give me playlist hint. Do it.
Look at the hint panel. I already gave you 2 hints. Playlist options.
Right. So yeah, you go to the... What do you do then? You go to the playlist options, then you go to edit, and then you should really read all of it. So you go to the playlist options, so this drop down arrow here, then you go to edit, and no.
This is what you get for wasting the time.
So yeah, that's how you do that.
Alright.
Done.
Cool. Only 26 seconds to spare.
Yeah, only.
Moving on to the next step.
Wait, this is my tutorial. Can you not?
No, we need to grade you first before we move on. So you get a 1 for this.
Yay!
You get 3 1s and 1 0. Let's do the tip 5 now.
What's a multi-link?
I'm gonna give you 5 minutes again. This is again a lot. But here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Tip 5. Use the multi-link to control button for last week parameter for third-party plugin knobs and buttons. Why? I've already made a short. Oh no. I've already made a short. You mean shorts?
As if I'm doing something sarcastic here. Shorts, guys, shorts.
Bro, write shorts here. Stupid.
I made 1 short.
Yeah. I've already made a shorts on this, but if you're trying to automate a parameter on a third-party generator or VST and FL, wait, I'm not paying any attention. Or VST and FL, then there is a way to do that quickly instead of going through. Cool. So suppose you have a third-party VST. Let's say, I don't know. This is not third-party. No. Okay, let's just say TDR Nova. I think this is a third party. Okay. Tools, then last tweaked, then create. Tools, then last tweaked, and then create automation clip. So this is like the old way of doing it. Okay, this is not what we're gonna do. I don't know what I did. Did it? Oh yeah. So I created this.
What is that?
This is the parameter of this plugin.
Which one?
TDR Nova. No, saw cards.
Saw charts.
So like this is how I would create. Okay, so that's how you create an automation. I don't know. Okay, so that's how you would usually do it. What you do now is move your knob on the third party plugin. So where's my third party plugin? Yo, TDR, where are you? Come on, third party plugin.
You didn't do the first part right, by the way.
That's okay. So you take the knob, okay, on your plugin, and then you move the knob like this, and then you go to multi-link to controller, create your automation. Yeah. Drag. No. No, let's just select this for now. No, I can't. Oh, that's how you control it. Right click. Yeah, so you create your automation by clicking this, or you can click Control J. No, you can't. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
You didn't get this right. You have 9 seconds.
So you create the automation like this, and then you go to this, and then you drag and drop this here.
Time's up. You get a 0. A big ass 0. We got your results now. Let me just finish explaining what this is supposed to
I
do.
don't know what this is. This is so
Alright,
stupid.
the first step is to get a third party plugin, which you did right. Selecting TDR Nova, you opened it twice. So let's say you want to automate this knob. You first need to move this so that FL knows that this is the one that you last tweaked. And then usually you would go to tools and then last tweaked, and then you could create automation. You can see the name of the parameter here, which in your case was saw chords, which was something completely different, which wasn't even a third party plugin.
How was I supposed to know? Your tutorial didn't mention that. You're mentioning that right now.
Last
Script.
tweaked.
No, I don't want to apply my brain.
It's self-explanatory.
No, that's unfair. You're not explaining. I could have explained it.
No.
You lose a point. Where is my diary? I will remove a point.
You first move the knob, and then you go to last tweak parameter, and then create automation clip. Because when you do that, you'd get TDR Nova instead of saw chords.
Saw charts. Right, that's the old method.
Yeah, right. But this took us so many steps. So instead of that, let's say I want to move this one. You can just right click here. Let me go back to the script once.
How was I supposed to know? Your tutorial didn't mention that.
Should have just right clicked. Oh well, look at that. We got create automation clip right here, and when you click on that, you got another automation clip right here. Oh yeah, we have automated both of them now.
Okay.
Alright.
Accept defeat.
It's okay. Not yet. Let me check what your scores are. So we said how much? 60%. So if my math is right, out of 5 you got 3. 3 out of 5 into 100.
60? Exact 60. What does that mean?
I can't believe you got an exact 60. So technically you did pass. You got the passing mark. So congratulations.
So does that mean I get the crown?
Questionable. So I'm gonna title it right here. Okay.
Write Queen Sriya.
No, I'm not. Yeah, winner is fine.
You know, you can write K in KWEEN Sriya instead of winner, or KWIN Queen. Queener.
No, it's fine.
Yay! I am a king.
No. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
This is like a qualification. This is better than your music degrees. This crown. You need to really deserve it.